I have been working pretty much part-time online, and the way I do it is with products that you can easily download online, like instant books. I don't know if you knew this or not, but you can actually take AI and write a book in, like, literally, I'm not exaggerating, seconds. So part of my retirement, that's what I'm doing. Um, we already draw Social Security, but of course, it's not enough for everything we like to do. So instead, I'm supplementing it with digital products. A digital product is just like an instant ebook that you can literally have AI write for you. I used to write them, and it took me forever because I would screenshot every step of what I was doing because I'm a former teacher. So I would explain everything with screenshots, and then I would upload it as an ebook. It really did take me days. And now I literally can make an ebook in minutes. I mean, if you go into these free websites for artificial intelligence and just put in, you can even ask artificial intelligence, for a topic of something you don't even know anything about. And it goes throughout the whole internet and pulls all these sources, and then it compiles it into, you know, um, a manuscript that you can just copy and paste and put in like a pretty cover. It will even make the cover for you. It's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, when we were growing up, we didn't even have the internet. We didn't have email. We certainly didn't have artificial intelligence. And now it just makes it so easy. It's almost scary how easy it is because you think, is it going to replace everything we've always known? I mean, some people are saying it will, but right now I'm just very grateful for the technology because in my retirement age, which I'm in now, I'm over 65, and hoping Social Security will last as long as I'm here on the planet. And if it does, great. But in the meantime, I need to supplement it. And if you're like me, you know, you like to buy a few extra things every month, and you like to be able to go to the park, in the midday like it is now. See if I can turn my phone around so you can see these cute birds, these cute ducks. I could, maybe not. I guess you can't. Let's see. Thought I could switch back and forth, but it's not. So that's pause. I haven't used my phone a whole lot for filming. Anyway, I can look over there so you can see the ducks. And I mean, I'm just so grateful to be able to enjoy God's green earth. I mean, today is one of those days where it's like perfect weather. I mean, if you had to have a perfect day, this would be it. I mean, it's like 78, sunny, with a breeze over the water. And it's just a beautiful day to be by the lake. And let me see if I can turn this around to show you the little duckies. And then the harbor here, the marina. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. And so after this, I'm going to go home. Look at him. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to go home and I'm going to fire up my computer and I'm going to work on my retirement income because literally that's what it is. It's retirement income. And if you want some help, if you want me to make an ebook for you, I'm thinking about offering that service. Because when I was in my 50s, I got a divorce that I never expected to happen. And so suddenly I found myself wanting to be able to go anywhere my kids wound up. And I wanted to be able to work from my laptop anywhere in the world as long as there was an internet connection. And that's what I do. Because when Your job is on the internet. You can literally work anywhere in the world that there's an internet connection. And I'm so grateful that the Lord God has allowed me to do this, has given me skills that and people that I've learned from. It's so exciting. So if you want to know more about how to make your own ebook, I actually have an ebook. Imagine that. An ebook, you can get the link below. But if not, just stay tuned. Please like and subscribe and help a girl out that's in her retirement age. And I'll leave you with this cute little ducky. Isn't he beautiful? Look at him. He's not sure if I'm going to come too close. I know. Oh, I'm not coming over there. Sometimes they bite. But anyway, I was reading, don't feed the ducks. It's not good for them. So anyway, not feeding the ducks, just feeding me a smoothie. Trying to be healthy and get a fruit smoothie, a protein smoothie. All right, I hope you're having a great day. God bless you. Thanks for listening. Please give me a like, subscribe, and comment. It will help me so much grow my retirement income. And if you want to know how to write that ebook, I'll have that down below. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye now.